Many years after, I don't know if they're still around, may crush kasi ako ng isang, istorya lang man ito. She was that lady na makita mo doon sa St. Alsem's building. If you go up, yung babae na, I don't know if she's still around, yung babae doon nakaupo, na may lunal dito. Kasi kung nandito pa siya, pakasalan kita, ma'am, pag nabiyuda ka na. Talagang crush kita. And every time that mag-akyat ako, tinitignan ko siya, alam niya na may gusto ako sa kanya. Ang problema, hindi ko alam kung may gusto siya sa akin. From a distance. But she knew that I was her admirer.